Okay. Hey guys, Sam Biscuit. It's an update for the functions video of how to understand it now that the Quadstick is being updated more often. So I'm gonna make them one by one in a series. So let's start off with normal since it's the easiest one. And if you learn normal, you'll learn the rest along the way. This is the default profile. I just copied and pasted and named it differently for your reassurance. So let me just show you how it works. So basically, let me pop this up. Here's an example. So basically, the quad stick in the normal function activates as long as you put pressure. So the more you put pressure and the longer you hold it, it activates. It deactivates when you're done with it. So let me give you an example. I'm going to center puff it. Center puff activates the left stick, which is L3. That right there is my left center puff, and I'll hold it for 1 second or 2. So if you notice, the longer I hold it, the more it keeps on activating. If I puff really fast, it'll keep up with my speed. So I clicked it like, I don't know, 5 times. So that's basically the functions. It activates only when you activate it. So what's so special about it? Well, good thing is you can actually do a lot of combinations. So if we look at the combinations right here, click. Alright, so you'll see step by step what I'm doing. So right here, let's go with X, which is our A for Xbox. It was left center puff. If you recall, I puffed it. And circle is right center sip. So let's make circle also left center puff on normal, and let's make square my new X. So now I don't have anything for square, but it's okay. Also, I'm going to add another line. Actually, no, I'm not going to add another line. I'm just going to replace it. I'm going to copy number 5. There you go. I'll come back to this later. But anyway, that's the point. So I'm just going to save it. And I'm going to skip right now. Okay, I'm back. And let's go off where we left off. So, anyway, I did save it and installed it on my Quadstick, and I'm running it right now. So let's look at this. On the left side, you see these highlighted parts. So it says circle and X are going to be left center puff. So the good thing about normal is obviously they'll just activate and deactivate. This is perfect. So when you activate like combinations, so like Batman Arkham Knight and or Shadow Mordor, I'm only using those because that's literally what I play. So now with this new script, and if I go to mode 3 to combinations, I center puff it. You'll notice the X and B button, or X and circle, are activating at the same time, and they're turning off at the exact same time. So it's perfect. The longer I hold it, like I said, the longer it stays on. And it turns off. Well, there's other cool uses for normal, especially if you want to go jump a mode. When I say jump a mode, I mean like, if you notice here it says decrement mode, when I right puff it, right? That means it goes down. So if we look here on my mouse, see where it says combination, increment means it goes 1 up, which means it will go to mouse. But if I de-increment, it'll go down 1 to right analog stick. But since I put 2 of them, that means it's not going to only go down once. It's going to go down twice, back to left analog stick. And to be honest, I can't show you. I don't know unless I record my face. But just take my word for it. Since you have both of these here, and they're on the right puff, which is the side tube, and when you puff it, it'll go down twice since you recreated that step. It doesn't have to be underneath it. I just put it there just for organization. Hopefully this makes sense, because the more you learn about other functions, which is a series, the more you're going to be able to manipulate your quad stick to your own usage, because every game is unique even though they look similar. So Battlefield and Call of Duty may be similar games, but they play completely different, and some buttons are used more than others. Other than that, thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Okay, I forgot to mention, but I'm going to put it at the end of each video. Make sure when you're done making your script, you first go to Tools, Script Editor. I know I mentioned this before, but I'm going to engrave it in your skulls. Resources, Libraries. Make sure you're always up to date with your firmware, but at the same time, always be wary. You know, sometimes it can be a test in progress. So I'll make sure it's on 41 or newest version. Click Run, just in case. Give it time for the computer to catch up. Close it. Refresh your own script. Save it. Give it time. Happy trails.